Monaco, a fusion of luxury cars and elegance. Monaco, the small yet opulent city-state on the French Riviera, is synonymous with luxury, glamour, and sophistication. Renowned for its breathtaking views, lavish lifestyle, and high-profile events, Monaco attracts not only the wealthy elite but also car enthusiasts and admirers of beauty. The intertwining of luxury cars and beautiful women in this glamorous locale creates a unique cultural tapestry that is celebrated and revered. The luxury car scene. Monaco's automotive landscape is a playground for luxury car brands. The Monaco Luxury Group, established in 1959, has become a key player in the region's automotive sector. Representing prestigious brands such as Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Aston Martin, Bentley, and McLaren. The allure of these vehicles is not just in their performance but also in their status, making them symbols of wealth and success. Events celebrating automotive excellence. Monaco hosts numerous events that highlight its rich automotive culture. One notable occasion is the Ladies' Vintage Car Rally, which combines classic cars with philanthropy. This event draws participants from across the region to celebrate vintage automobiles while raising funds for children's education. The rally exemplifies how car culture in Monaco transcends mere luxury. It also embodies community spirit and charitable endeavors. Another significant event is the showcasing of iconic vehicles like James Bond's Aston Martin DB5 during the historic Grand Prix week, further solidifying Monaco's reputation as a hub for automotive enthusiasts. The glamour of beautiful women. In addition to its luxury cars, Monaco is famous for its stunning women who embody elegance and sophistication. The presence of beautiful women enhances the allure of high-end events and car showcases, creating an atmosphere of glamour that is unique to Monaco. These women often participate in social events, fashion shows, and charity galas, contributing to the city's vibrant social scene. Fashion and luxury lifestyle. The intersection of fashion and luxury cars is particularly pronounced in Monaco. Women often don designer outfits that complement the sleek lines and opulence of the vehicles they accompany. Events like the Monaco Grand Prix attract not only racing fans but also fashionistas who revel in showcasing their style against a backdrop of high-speed luxury. Conclusion. Monaco stands as a testament to luxury living, where stunning cars meet beautiful women in an environment defined by elegance and sophistication. The city's rich automotive heritage combined with its vibrant social scene creates an unparalleled experience for both residents and visitors alike. Whether it's through high-profile events or casual drives along the picturesque coastline, Monaco continues to be a beacon of luxury that captivates all who enter its realm.